Some people underestimate the value of vehicle ownership. For myself and my family, with an aging mom, it has brought a level of convenience to our family where we are now able to conveniently go to the supermarket at the end of the month, do doctor visits, as well as visit family and friends scattered across the island, and take the occasional drive just to relax on a Sunday evening. CLICO Credit Union has brought this convenience to me, and for this, my family and myself are grateful. Hello, I am Kemba Clasp, and I have been a member of the Trinidad and Tobago Defense Force for the past 26 years. I started my career in the Trinidad and Tobago Regiment in 1994. The last 10 years of my career has been spent at the Trinidad and Tobago Air Guard, and I am now about to retire. I joined the CLICO Credit Union approximately 15 years ago on the urging of one of my good friends at work. Seeing that we saw salary increases as well as allowance increases, she thought it would be wise that I invest my money somewhere. My experience with CLICO Credit Union has been friendly. It has been quite uplifting over the years. They brought new experiences to my life, as well as they gave me the opportunity to share the credit union with other members of the Defense Force. Several things stood out over the years with my relationship with the credit union. They took me on my first cruise. It was a Caribbean cruise. We left from Miami. We visited Jamaica, my first visit to Jamaica, as well as Haiti, not knowing that Haiti was so beautiful. At the port in Haiti, I was able to purchase artwork as well as craft work. It was an enlightening experience. Over the years, I became a link officer with the credit union, and I have encouraged several members of the Air Guard to join the credit union so that they can experience the joys of being a credit union member. In addition to my colleagues at the Defense Force, I also recommended the credit union to my mother. She has benefited immensely with the CredUmed program, which is a group health medical plan that takes you up to the age of 99. As CLICO Credit Union continues to grow and develop in the coming years, I would like to see a greater awareness of all the beneficial programs that they have on offer. I have seen a lot of members benefit from CLICO Credit Union's programs, their mortgage program, the family indemnity plan, as well as the medical insurance plan. In the future, I would like to see our membership increase and other people get to enjoy these benefits that we as members currently enjoy. It's such a joy to be a member of an organization that listens to its membership and introduces programs such as the mortgage program, as well as makes wise investments on behalf of its membership, such as our villas in Tobago. This is why CLICO Credit Union is not only my financial institution of choice, but also my life partner for financial services. Thank you, CLICO Credit Union.
CLICO Credit Union, celebrating 75 years of being your life partner for financial services.